Introducing UserPulse, the leading user management tool every Salesforce administrator should have. The first step before being able to make any changes is to do a batch refresh. Once the refresh is complete, you'll get an email sent to your inbox with a full detailed list of information that has either passed or failed. Now that UserPulse has been updated with the latest batch of metadata, you are ready to swap users. Start by searching for the user you want to swap out. Type their name into the search bar. Then you will see all of the user-associated metadata displayed on a single-page dashboard. Related objects and features are displayed as they are related to the user. For pro users, this is when you can use your InstaFix tool to instantly swap out users with the click of a button. For basic users, you will have access to a limited view of the metadata that will enable you to manually swap users. Next steps for the admin would be to close out the ticket. This is how you can use UserPulse to swap out users within a single org. Be sure to visit our community page for more navigation tools within UserPulse. With UserPulse in your Salesforce toolbox, Salesforce success is yours for the taking.